Hello everyone, welcome back to Python Full Course Part 12, and today we're going to be looking at sets in Python. So let's get started. So what is a set? A set in Python is something that allows us to know whether an element exists or not. So for example, if I had a dictionary, so an English dictionary, and then I would like to convert it to a set, because then I would be able to say, oh, does this word belong to the English vocabulary? So let's get started. So I usually use sets from a list. So I have all this processing, I do a lot of work, and then I end up with like a list of words. So I don't know, hello, airplane, hello, airplane, and what then air. So when I process it, there's a lot of duplicates also. So I'm just going to say these are the raw words. Then you can convert this list to a set by saying word set is equal to set. So as always, we can put the name of the class, then parentheses, and whatever you want, and it's going to try to convert this to the class you want it to be converted. So set of raw words. And then I can just say print word set. What does this give us? You'll see that it gives us a collection of unique elements. So air, hello, airplane. And I can also say define check if exists, check exists. So I can have a word set and I have a word, and then I'll say if word in word set, then I'll say print word is in word set. Else I'm going to say print f string word is not in word set. And that's just going to be it. I'll also return true, and I'll say return false. Now I can do check exists, word sets, so word set. Then I can say, let's say does hello exist, and then let's say does James exist, and does airplane exist. So it's going to say the set that we printed, and then it's going to say hello is in word set, James is not in word set, and airplane is in word set. So this was pretty nice. Now I've seen how we can convert a list to a set, but I did not show how you can just manually add elements to a set. So for this, we're going to use my good old friend W3 Schools. So say hello to W3 Schools, and then you'll see that Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on sets. There's add, clear, copy, difference, update, and all of this good stuff. And we can look at the Python set tutorial. So basically it shows us that we can say a variable, and then you put curly braces, and then you'll say each value that you want to put inside the set. So let's say I put my set is equal to hello, airplane, and air. I can print my set. As you can see, I get airplane, air, hello. Now if I put a duplicate, let's say hello again, and then you'll see I get air, hello, airplane. So this was very nice. So a set is a collection which is both unordered and unindexed. Sure. This just means that there's no particular order, and that you cannot just say I want to get the value for a certain key, unlike a dictionary. So we can add elements to this set by saying my set dot add new element, and I can print my set. As you can see, the new element is included. I can add it multiple times though. And then you'll see it's just all going to appear one time. So a set is a collection of unique elements that are also unsorted. What's next? So what's next is that there's also the remove, and this is going to be pop. So let's say I want to remove a certain element. Then I'm going to say my set dot remove new element, or my set dot pop new element. So will this work? My set dot pop new element. Let's see. And then actually pop does not work. So pop only removes the last element. So what does this does? It's going to return. It's going to remove the last element. So yeah, there is one element that's less. So I guess it makes sense. And if I want to remove a specific element, I say dot remove, and let's say I want to remove hello. Then technically I should say air new element and airplane. So air, airplane, new element. This is very awesome. You can also do other stuff such as copy, clear, symmetric difference, union, all this. But I don't think it's very important to go over for now because you're not going to use them every time. So the most important ones are the fact you can convert a list to a set, and the second ones are that you can just add, and remove if you want to construct it by hand, for example. Also, as a quick tidbit, you can also do set comprehensions. So set comprehensions is that you're going to take something that you can iterate over, and it will construct a set. So I'm going to construct a set of the range from 0 to 20. So my set is equal to that, and print my set. As you can see, it creates a set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 19. And if I ever put the same value such as hello multiple times, it's going to filter out the duplicates, and it's only going to say one time hello. So this was all about sets that you will ever need. So thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And in the next video, we're going to look at how to read and to write to a file. So stay tuned.